All about Collie Buddz lifestyle and dancehall career 2024. Colin Patrick Harper, born on August 21, 1984, is widely recognized by his stage name, Collie Buddz. Hailing from Bermuda, he is a prominent reggae artist celebrated for his hit single, Come Around. Born in New Orleans, Louisiana, to a Bermudian mother, Buddz spent his formative years in Bermuda. His deep connection to music led him to study audio engineering at Full Sail University in Winter Park, Florida, under the guidance of Noah Zamudio. The name Collie Buddz is derived from slang for cannabis, reflecting his reggae roots and laid-back persona. Budd's talent caught the attention of established artists early in his career. In 2007, he collaborated with the legendary Shaggy on the track Mad Mad World for Shaggy's studio album Intoxication. This collaboration helped Buddz gain further recognition in the reggae scene. His unique sound, combining traditional reggae with modern influences, has earned him a dedicated fan base worldwide. With his distinctive voice and engaging stage presence, Buddz continues to captivate audiences, making significant contributions to the reggae genre. His journey from New Orleans to Bermuda and beyond showcases his versatility and passion for music, solidifying his place as a key figure in contemporary reggae. On June 7, 2007, Collie Buddz burst onto the music scene with his self-titled debut album released under Columbia and Sony BMG. This album featured his breakout single Come Around and the hit A Blind to You. Yet, his crowning achievement was a Mamacita, a track that skyrocketed in popularity, selling around 4 million copies and cementing his place in music history. Budd's 2007 hit A Blind to You and not only topped charts but also became a live concert favorite. He often invited fans on stage to sing the third verse, with a Big Jerry being one of his most unforgettable guests during the Cali Roots X Festival. After his debut, Buddz didn't just sit back, he launched his own record label, Harper Digital Entertainment. From 2008 to 2015, he was on the move, performing ESOS as Kofi Kingston's entrance theme on WW The Music Volume 8, and remixing Kid Cudi's Day and Night in 2009. His first EP Playback, dropped on July 12, 2012, featuring 8 tracks produced by talents like Baby D Beats, Green Lion, and Supa Dups. 2013 saw Buddz joining forces with Revolution, Mada's Yahoo, and Zion Thompson on the Good Vibes Tour, gracing stages at Lollapalooza, Outside Lands, Hot 97 Summer Jam, and the Marley Family's 9 Mile Music Festival. His second EP, Blue Dreams, arrived on September 4, 2015, with 7 fresh tracks. Budd's second studio album, Good Life, was released on May 19, 2017, via Harper Digital Entertainment. It featured big names like Snoop Dogg and Riff Raff, and it soared to number 1 on the U.S. Billboard Reggae Albums chart. His third album, Hybrid, dropped on May 24, 2019, topping the Billboard Reggae Albums chart and featuring collaborations with artists like Be Young, Dizzy Wright, and Stonebwoy. In 2020, Buddz released the Cali Roots Rhythm album, a 22-track compilation produced with Johnny Cosmic, featuring top reggae rock artists. The follow-up, Cali Roots Rhythm 2021, expanded to 27 tracks with contributions from bands like Alborosie and Iration. After a brief hiatus, he returned with Cali Roots Rhythm 2023, a 23-track album showcasing talents like Busy Signal and J Boog. Looking ahead, Buddz announced on social media that his fourth studio album, Take It Easy, is set for release on September 29, 2023, under Ineffable Records. In the summer of 2021, Buddz also ventured into winemaking, collaborating with Pablo Robles of Wine Boss to create a limited edition rose called Love and Rose, crafted from Petit Verdot and Muscat grapes with notes of stone fruit and sweet honeysuckle. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for dancehall music news.